Friends, today in this video I will tell you how you can delete empty space line in MS Office. As you can see, I have written a lot of lines on this page and there is a piece of under each line have a gap. So I want to delete this gap from the entire page. You have to go to home and as you can see there is a symbol of paragraph. Now you just enable it and this paragraph icon everywhere in each and every line, including space also. First you have to go to home and go to the replace button. As you can see, the find what that you have to type this sign and replace with this. Now from the entire page I want to replace all this, so click on it. As you can see, all 21 replacements done. The empty space has been removed from the entire paragraph. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this small information? If you like, you can share with your friends.